My name is Michael Gill.
Connor Becerra.
Cody Smith.
Galen Gates.
I'm an estimator.
I'm a project manager here at Polk Mechanical.
I'm an assistant project manager.
An assistant project manager at Polk Mechanical.
I've been in construction for about 6 years now.
I've been working in construction for the past 6 months.
I have been with Polk for a year and a half. That's when my career started in construction.
I've been in construction about 9 months.
Here at Polk Mechanical, we have APM training, assistant project manager training. We give a lot of leadership input, try to cultivate young leaders, and also we have a lot of technical training where we actually give them information for their job, tools for the trade, so to speak.
My favorite aspect about the APM training is just developing that strong, cohesive network of APMs across the board.
I feel like the trainings are a necessity for us. I've benefited from them to better understand what I'm estimating and what I'm putting into my takeoffs.
My favorite aspect of the training, I would say, is the leadership value because it shows Polk has invested in us to put us in that future role.
These trainings mean a lot to me. It gives me an opportunity to engage with people, which I'm very passionate about. It gives me that opportunity to give back and to see people coming in succeed. We have a lot of different people that come in here for all different ages and backgrounds. I just love seeing them get started and moving on with their career. So I was chosen to be a part of the APM training mostly because I complained about it a lot. We didn't have a training program. I don't know that I was chosen. It was more, if you want to do it, go do it. And I think that's a great thing about Polk, is that if you have a passion for something, they're going to let you do it.
Polk Mechanical believes
Polk believes in
developing its people.
Polk believes in developing its people.
Polk Mechanical is heavily involved in CDF, and I know a lot of our superintendents teach classes there, and a lot of the field folks take classes there, as well as APMs.
Organizationally, they send its employees to different conferences to better understand maybe new technologies and different processes in the construction industry.
We have a lot of training programs, one of them being CEF, where people go and can earn credit hours towards their apprenticeship. We also do programs within the company to hone skills for field personnel. So I think about everywhere in the company there's an opportunity for training.
I have a future at Polk Mechanical.
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 Hey Polk Nation, it's Bahia Ramirez, Senior Recruiter. As you can see, Polk Mechanical has a culture of developing its own. If you or someone in your network is interested in getting their career kicked off in construction, please feel free to reach out to me or check out our website at www.polkmechanical.com. Be sure to check the description for more information on all of our open positions. Last week, John Kennedy gave us some feedback on what he'd like to see in future videos. We'd love to hear from the rest of our Polk Nation. If you have any great ideas for videos or anybody that you think we should feature, be sure to leave a comment down below. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and share.